Are you the product number best bread makers? Bread makers have become increasingly popular for their ability to produce fresh, homemade bread with minimal effort. Whether you're a busy professional, a health-conscious family, or someone with dietary restrictions, these machines offer convenience and customization. In this review, we tested and compared 5 bread makers ranging in price from $66.44 to $199.99. Product QuezinArt Bread Maker Machine. The QuezinArt CBK11NAS is a compact and stylish bread maker designed for users who value simplicity and quality. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, it can handle a variety of bread types, including gluten-free. The vertical design is counter-friendly, and the removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup straightforward. The viewing window and interior light allow users to monitor the baking process easily. Performance-wise, the QuezinArt excels in producing consistent crusts and textures, thanks to its advanced baking technology. However, its limited number of programs compared to other models may be a drawback for those seeking greater versatility. Users praised its ease of use, but noted that the 1-pound weight might indicate lighter-duty construction compared to heavier models. Overall, this bread maker is ideal for small households or casual bakers. Product 2. Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M Programmable Bread. The Elite Gourmet EBM 8103M offers an impressive 19 menu functions, making it one of the most versatile models in this price range. It allows users to bake loaves of 3 different sizes: 1 pound, 1.5 pound, and 2 pound, and includes features like a 15-hour delay timer and a 60-minute keep warm function. Its mint green design adds a touch of personality to the kitchen. This bread maker is well suited for families looking for flexibility in loaf sizes and bread types. The 550-watt motor performs admirably, though users report occasional noise during kneading. Its non-stick pan ensures easy cleaning, and the included accessories simplify the baking process. While it delivers good value for its price, some users found the build quality slightly less robust than higher-end models. Product number: Amazon Basics Programmable Bread Maker. The Amazon Basics Bread Maker is a budget-friendly option that provides solid functionality for its price. With 14 settings, including options for gluten-free bread and jams, it caters to diverse baking needs. Its 550-watt motor and Express Bake feature allow users to bake bread in under 90 minutes, which is a standout feature for time-conscious users. While the Amazon Basics model delivers reliable results for basic bread types, its performance can be inconsistent for more complex recipes. The lightweight build makes it easy to move and store, but may lack durability for long-term use. This bread maker is ideal for beginners or occasional bakers who want an affordable option without sacrificing essential features. Product number: 2-leg bread maker machine. The Osipoto 2-leg bread maker stands out with its 17 customizable programs and beginner-friendly controls. Its stainless steel design gives it a premium look, while the 600-watt motor ensures efficient baking. Features like a 15-hour delay timer, keep warm function, and low-noise operation make it a practical choice for families. This bread maker delivers excellent results for various bread types, including gluten-free and whole wheat. Users appreciate its quiet operation and high success rate for homemade bread. However, its larger size may not be ideal for small kitchens. Overall, the Osipoto is a reliable mid-range option for users seeking versatility and performance. Product 5. 25 Programs Bread Maker Machine. The Gleedlish 25 Programs Bread Maker is the premium option in this comparison, offering an impressive 25 programs for maximum versatility. Its sleek silver design and large dimensions make it a centerpiece in any kitchen. The advanced features cater to experienced bakers who want complete control over their recipes. While the Gliedlich bread maker delivers excellent performance, its higher price point may be a barrier for budget-conscious buyers. It is best suited for enthusiasts who bake frequently and require advanced functionality. The larger size and weight may also be a drawback for users with limited counter space.